Hey, it's Dillon King with Home Buyer Louisiana. In case you don't know yet, we buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I am here right now at a house we're looking to buy in Orleans Parish. This house has some new framing going on. A couple had planned to flip it and decided for whatever reason not to follow through with it. And unfortunately, it's just been left sitting here ever since. It's spacious, but the bones look really good. I'm a licensed GC, and I would say that this structure has a lot of potential. It definitely has that true New Orleans vibe. If you know someone or you have a house that you want to sell, we take houses in any condition. We purchase them in cash. Go to homebuyerlouisiana.com. Just tell us a little bit about the property you have. We'd love to assist you. Again, that is homebuyerlouisiana.com.